we're rolling.
All right, I'm Jeremy Utley. We're excited to welcome you to the D.school tomorrow for the basic training session. The goal of the session really is to help you use design thinking in your work, okay? And what we want to do is ask you to do about 10 minutes of pre-work leading into our time together tomorrow, okay? So what is your pre-work as you think about how are you going to use design thinking in your work? Your pre-work is bring 3 to 5 simple questions to the session tomorrow. 3 to 5 simple questions, and the specific format we'd like you to use for the question is, how can I get a specific group or person to engage in a specific physical action or mental change? How can I get somebody to do something? We're going to ask you to bring just 3 to 5 simple questions like this as a load-in for the session, which is all about using design thinking in your work. So how do you get to this kind of question? 3 simple steps. First thing is, reflect on the various areas of your life or aspects of your life, okay? So maybe think for a second about a secret passion that you have at work, or think of a current project that you're working on, or think of a coworker or a classmate that you're working with, right? Or think of maybe a meeting that you dread or a meeting that you love. Maybe you think about a customer, a specific customer, and that helps you generate ideas. Or maybe even thinking about an extracurricular activity or a passion of yours that you hold dear. Think of the various areas of your life first. And then what you want to do is, after you've thought of those areas of your life, think of a specific struggle or uncertainty related to that area. Okay, so after you've picked an area of your life, pick a struggle and uncertainty. So for me, for example, I resonated with this idea of thinking of a current project. Okay, I've got a project called Minnow, which is an app we're using with students. So that's my current project. And then I asked myself the question, what's a specific struggle or uncertainty I'm facing right now? And for me, it's the fact that students aren't creating anything, they're only consuming. And I want them to create, not just consume. So I'd say students don't create, they only consume. That's a specific struggle, okay? How do I bring that struggle into the format that we're specifying for tomorrow? Well, I'm trying to figure out how I can get somebody to do something, right? So I might say, how can I get students in my class to create videos for each other, okay? So that would be one of the 3 to 5 questions I bring with you tomorrow. In order to generate the next question, I might visit another area of my work or life and then ask myself, what's a struggle or uncertainty in that area of work in my life, and then bring it into this format. Please bring 3 to 5 of these questions with you tomorrow, and we're going to have a really great productive session about using design thinking on a challenge that matters to you. Thanks.